All right, everyone, thank you for tuning in. We're going to go over how to turn on or cycle on the power grid system here at church so that we can get everything going. This is the first initial step that we take. So if you notice, the side lights are on right now, but we're just going to flip every switch just to turn on every light to the right. And now everything is on, right? Except for those middle lights, but that's a technical issue. So you can still power, or you can still flip every switch to the right. Now let's move on to the next step. Here is turning on this digital mixer we have in front of us, X32. The power switch is gonna be right here on the back, right? I don't know if you could see it right here, but you just flip that on and it starts to cycle on. So that's all you do. That's all you do for that. Our Mac Mini, to turn the computer on, same thing. In the back right, you'll see the power button here. Hold that on for 2 or 3 seconds. Look in the front, and if you did it right, you should see the light turning on. That's it for now. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the rest of the system. So that's it with the back. The computers are turning on. The X32 is turning on. We take the remote, don't forget that. I'm sorry, my throat's scratchy. It's in the morning, early morning, 8 o'clock. We're gonna go through this quick. So if you wanna slow down the video and see what I'm doing, exactly, you can. It is Mother's Day today. Happy Mother's Day. Let's go ahead and move on to the back here. First things first, when you open the door, it's gonna be completely pitch black. I'd recommend you just reaching here and kind of memorizing where the lights are to turn on, right, to the system. Don't worry about the mess. All right, now when we're here, might as well turn on these 2 lights, and these turn on the stage system, or the stage lights that y'all see blinking right there. So just make sure to do that. Save you some time, save you a trip. Next things is you're going to flip these breakers, right? So you're only gonna flip the 2 that I'm about to mess with right here in the 30s, right in the middle on the left side. You would flip them, everything starts cycling on. Here at the bottom you have I believe it's 2 orange cables and 1 blue cable. You're just gonna grab these, not from the gray, but from the clear in the middle, right between orange and the gray. You're gonna grab it from here so you don't shock yourself. You want to be careful with that. You're gonna do this correctly. Grab it from the black, right where the gray meets, not the actual tip, because you don't want to shock yourself. And after that, last thing to be able to turn everything on is the projector. So you're just gonna have this remote that I told you to go ahead and grab before you left. Aim it at the projector. You don't have to be this close, and you'll notice the light turn blue right there. So that's it for part 1 of cycling on the power, or at least that's cycling on the power in general. Computer stuff is different, mixer stuff is different, but at least now everything's on, and we can start, actually signing into the computer and doing the other stuff that we need to do to set up. Thank you for watching. Hope this blessed you. Hope this works. Slow it down if I went too fast. God bless you. Bye-bye.